Thank God.
Dude, stop. What are you doing? Stop.
Hold it up, bro. Hold it up. Okay.
Fresh off the panini cheese pull.
My nigga said he wanted a beer. When they got him, I'm making you fuck with the cut.
Nah. There's a coffee. The left one is that caramel latte.
Only 5 now, but I'll leave him to sleep. If they been talking, I put him to sleep.
I fuck my daddy and I sucked on.
I ain't saying what I'm saying that you think I'm saying, but if you think I'm saying what I'm saying, that's what I'm saying. And I'm gonna say this: we're gonna leave it at there. We're gonna leave it there.
At what?
Jesus! What the fuck? I thought Dan had just got in the room. Was that you? Did you just squeal?
Oh.
Get up.
Damn, you make a love to that train.
This cheese is being stabbed.
We started this at 10, and it's just past 12. For a
Go, honey. I love you. You okay?
Yep.
You got enough water?
Yep.
You feeling good?
Uh-huh.
Should I shut up?
Yep.
Please send ketchup. My wife is pregnant. Please send extra honey mustard and ketchup.
I'm charging up my biscuits when I get this up maximum power. Hey, my biscuit.
I'm in the shower because my shit's waterproof.
Well, at the time, I had just finished shooting a film called Passing Train that was playing a much...
Cleaned my car for about like 2 hours. And it looks so pretty. Okay.
This wrist twist heel hold.